This video will take you through the setup to pair MyQ Connected Garage with NissanConnect Services. The Nissan and MyQ Connected Garage door opener empowers you to control and monitor your garage door remotely using your touchscreen display. You can open, close, customize settings, and check the state of your garage with personalized geofence settings. Before you get started, you'll need an active NissanConnect Services account, which is the same login credentials as your Nissan ID and My Nissan app. The MyQ Garage and Access Control mobile app with active account. The mobile app can be downloaded from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. A MyQ-enabled garage door opener, a compatible Nissan vehicle. Once you have completed setup, you're ready to link your NissanConnect Services and MyQ accounts and start using MyQ Connected Garage with your Nissan vehicle. On your vehicle's touchscreen display, navigate to the Apps section. Select the MyQ Garage app. Using your phone, scan the QR code that pops up on your vehicle's touchscreen display. Then log in to your MyQ account. On your phone, tap Authorize. You'll see a confirmation that your accounts have been linked. On your vehicle's touchscreen display, accept the terms of use. Any garage door openers connected to your account will be displayed on the touchscreen inside the MyQ Garage app. You can tap Help for resources on troubleshooting your garage door and additional support information. With your NissanConnect Services and MyQ accounts linked, you can control your garage door by tapping its corresponding tile inside the MyQ Garage app, or by using the MyQ Garage widget. Access and update your garage door operator settings through the MyQ Garage app on the touchscreen. Only one garage can be set as default at a time. The default garage appears in the first position if there are more than one on the list. You'll need to enable geofencing mode for notification-based garage control and garage control during reverse. Your geofencing radius determines when you receive notifications for opening or closing your garage door. When you're ready to set your geofence location, you'll need to be parked in your driveway just outside your garage. Toggle on geofencing to enable and tap Yes. Then verify your location on the map on your vehicle's touchscreen display and tap Set. Then you'll set your geofencing radius from 50 up to 500 feet. Setting a closed door reminder will notify you if the door is still open a specified amount of time after you leave. This feature sends a notification pop-up on your vehicle's touchscreen display, asking if you'd like to close your garage door. Remind Me sets the specified amount of time before you receive the closed door reminder. You can also control your garage door while your vehicle is in reverse. When you put your car in reverse, your vehicle's touchscreen will display the 360-degree reverse camera, along with the controls to operate your garage door without having to navigate back to the app. Enjoy the change to seamless convenience and control of your garage door, brought to you by using the MyQ Garage and Control app with NissanConnect Services. For more information, visit MyQ Garage in the Help section of your Nissan touchscreen display.